All right, everybody, welcome to our third art project. As you guys know, we are kind of combining art and science together to make something cool. So for this week, we're going to be making bathtub speedboats. We're going to be using the kitchen sink, but you just really any water container you can do this with. To make our bathtub speedboats, we're going to be using a butter dish or some sort of piece of light plastic like a container. Make sure it's empty. I am going to also need a toothpick as well as some dish soap. So I just have some poured in here. You can also use laundry detergent if you want, but I had some dish soap by the sink. So what we're going to do first is we are going to cut out our boat, and just kind of wanted to show you the finished product here. This is what they can look like. Now you can make them whatever shape you want. So I made one and I was able to use a Sharpie to put some designs on it. So customize your speedboats. Here's another one. So you can see that we have our front design, okay? And then we also have this groove in the back, and that groove is important because that's what's going to be the motor for our speedboat. So let's get underway. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pair of scissors. I'm going to take my container, and I want to try to find a flat part of my container. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out one of the sides. Now you'll find that one butter dish can make lots of different speedboats. So what I would suggest doing, and what I think would be kind of cool, is to see how different designs work and which ones you feel are faster. So cutting out here. Okay, so basically just cut a square out of it. I've got a nice little plastic square here. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to cut this in half because I can easily make two boats out of this. And so I've got a little plastic here, and I'm going to just make a simple kind of design. I'm going to cut a point. And so I've got kind of an arrow point here, and I'm just going to cut a little groove in the back. Okay, just like that. So let's take it over to the sink and give it a try. All right, so we are over at the sink, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the water, but to do that I got to switch cameras. So here at the sink, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to very lightly put this in the water so that it rests on top. You can see it's resting there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my toothpick and I'm going to put just a little bit of soap on the end of it. Now watch what happens. How cool is that? Now, what causes this is the soap is hygroscopic, and I'm going to put a little link in on the page for the kind of the science behind this. But as the soap is on the back of this, basically what it's doing is it's trying to push the water away. But as you do this a few times, you'll notice that it stops working, and basically that just means that we need to drain our water and add some new water because the soap is mixed in with the water, so the effect doesn't work. So I hope you guys like this. I hope you give it a shot. I think they're pretty cool. Maybe try to make an obstacle course, customize your boat. I think fingernail polish would work really well for this. Guys, have a great week. Everybody take care.